YouTube, I'm back at you. I'm halfway through the Chevy grill, so I mean, just got some shit from Dollar Tree and decided to do a little something with it. Some grill toppers. So it's gonna be my truck grill toppers. How about that? Yeah. But what I did, took them apart, I cut it, and I use my Dremel, 200 Dremel. That's all I use. And this is what I came up with right here. So I mean, just trying to see what I can do with it, you know. And I was thinking about putting a monitor right there, you know.
8 days into the race, we got this heart-wrenching voicemail from his wife Colleen.
PJ ran into some really
yeah.
hallucinating last night, and he was blowing stop signs.
Just seeing what all I can do with it.
He wasn't alone.
Thinking about putting this monitor on it, right here in the Chevy symbol.
PJ describes the mind tricks he experienced on the bike.
So just thinking about that. Put that monitor in there and cut that, surround that with that. And this monitor right here, it's like really clear. It's like high depth. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's really bright. You know what I'm saying? You know, so I don't know if I'm gonna put that in there or not, but I'm gonna just see what I can do with this right here. So I'm gonna go all the way across with this, you know. Got some more cut out. I'm gonna cut this out right here. Cut that out some more. Put it right here. Yeah. So when I get through with it, I just hit you back up.
15 hours and 56 minutes.
Yeah.
Next, a nation humiliated on the soccer field.
Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna put another one in the center right here. See how that gonna look, you know? I mean, this is not what it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be another one. But you see how it's gonna look, you know?
They're looking for with Frisky's Grillers. Tender, meaty pieces and crunchy bites in delicious chicken, beef, turkey,
we'll holler at you later.
Frisky's Grillers.
Peace out.